Hi, this is Kendra with WTI. These baby-proof cabinet latches are fantastic for all different types of cabinets, all different types of surfaces. I've used them on our dog food containers because my daughter, she likes to eat the dog food. Yeah, she sure does. So these go everywhere, and they just have these little strips on the back here that you just pull off. You just pull off here, and there's the sticky backing, and literally there's no drilling or anything, you just stick them on. Literally just stick it onto the surface. It's fantastic. So you have to actually slide this and then pull it off. And most children, mine definitely can't figure that out yet. So it actually secures things the way it should. And you can attach them to almost any surface, which is the great thing about them. No drilling required, none of that. Just stick it on. We love this product. It's been really fantastic to put on every feature in our house that we want to secure. And that's our point of view.